How do you install a printer driver on a Windows system? Preparation steps. Use a USB cable to connect the thermal printer to your Windows computer. 2. Locate the USB drive included in the package and plug it into your computer's USB port. 3. Power on the printer by connecting it to an outlet and switching it on. Browse the folders on the USB drive. You'll find a printer driver for Windows labeled Label Printer Driver version 2.0. Select your preferred language, like English. Install Label Printer Driver version 2.0 to the default folder. Select 4-inch series and choose USB. Go to the control panel on your Windows system and find Bluetooth and devices. Open the settings page for the printer 4-inch series. Go to Printer Properties and then to Ports. Select USB 002, then apply and save the changes. The printer driver is now installed on your Windows system, and you're all set to start printing labels.